What's up guys, it's Marissa with Greats Customs, and it's getting hot in here with this hot pepper red Bronco. Greats Customs did a upgrade to this vehicle, and I think you guys are going to love this build and you'll want to do it to yours. Starting out with our suspension kit, we did add the 3.5-inch rough country suspension kit with your spacers and upgraded control arms for a little bit better of a ride quality when you lift your vehicle. Coming down to your bigger wheel and tire package, we did the 4Play 4P06 in the gloss black and brushed finish. This is a 22 by 12 negative 44mm offset, and it does stick out those 4 inches past the factory fenders. With your tire, this is a 35 12 50 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, and this is going to be that hybrid tire, so it's going to have great on-road, some off-road capabilities, and then you also have your aggressive sidewall to give you that mud tire, so it's perfect for this off-road build. Now, Greats Customs paint team did add the color match options to this Bronco. You can see the front bumper, the fenders, the mirror caps, as well as the rear hatches are all color matched in that hot pepper red. And then on the grille across the assembly where it says Bronco, this was also color matched. Super spicy for this. And then Greats Customs also added that color to the interior. We did the center console as well as the dashboard to break up that black and gray. And I think that this Bronco is going to be probably one of the hotter builds that we've ever done because I absolutely love the way this looks. Now, the best part about a Bronco, and this is a summertime vehicle, and if you have a soft top, it's super easy to pull back for those daytime drives. So all you have to do is just hop in your Bronco. There's 2 little latches right here. You just have to pull them back and then push this top part all the way back. And it is locked and ready to roll. If you want to check more about this vehicle, go to our website at greatsauto.com.